I'm Nozi, and we're at the Samuel Leeds 4-day event, the Rent to Rent one. I found it really good, really interesting, lots of information. They are long days though, 9 to 9, but in the breaks they set you work to go out and do, which I think is really great. It's like, here's how you do it, off you go and do it yourself. If you don't do it, you don't, like, obviously you're not going to benefit. But yesterday, I'll be honest, the first time I was like, then I did it, and I was like, oh my gosh, it works. Like, you can do it, go and do it. I did it, called up, got a few rent-to-rents up north. So yeah, so far so good.
Incredible, so you already get results?
Yes.
Incredible.
Yeah.
And tell me about the atmosphere here. What's it like? What are the
Oh,
people
everyone's
like?
friendly, really helpful. Even the people on the academy that have just joined, I'm a new joiner as well. Everyone wants to talk, network, socialise. I've made a couple friends and got a couple numbers. I'm working with someone actually at the moment regarding certain deals. We're working together, so it's really good. It's actually really good.
Incredible. And tell me about Samuel. What's his energy like?
Great. His energy is what made me join the academy. I joined on the £1 event in Birmingham, and literally in the break I was like, yeah, I'm going to sign on to the academy. Signed on to the academy, and it's been great since. He's honest, and I think that's what pulled me to him. He's honest and he's blunt, but he's also very funny. Yeah.
Incredible. And so someone who's thinking about coming down to one of these events or the £1 crash course, maybe they're a bit nervous, what would you say to encourage them down?
Do it. Take the leap. Take the leap of faith. Do it. What's the worst that could do? Like, what's the worst outcome? You don't do it, but it's £1. Do it. Go for the day, and he gives you a lot of information even on those £1 crash course. So yeah.